after you've gone. There's no denying, you feel blue, you feel sad. You lost the bestest pal you ever had. There'll come a time, now don't forget it. There'll come a time when you'll regret it.